Hello everyone, so you are looking for the sign up for the Palantir Foundry, so don't worry, I am here to help you. So what are the things required to sign up for the Palantir Foundry? I'll be providing you the details, okay? And also I will be providing the link in the description of the video. You can go there and start sign up activities, okay? So first think you this is the free of cost. You don't have to worry about the amounts and payments and all things. First you need to provide the first name, last name, and after that you can continue. But before, you need to understand what are other things required to be logged in, signed up for the Palantir Foundry, okay? So first thing, a valid individual, I mean they need a in short email ID or Gmail ID, whatever you have, a valid phone number, a recognized identification card from a supported company. Suppose in India we have Aadhaar card. Even I have applied, I have given the details of pick up passport, so it was working. So you can provide the passport if you have. If not, for your country, whatever it is, identification card, you can provide it. It will be okay for them. And last thing required is a credit card for identification KYC purpose. They need. So basically, your card will not be charged, so they will be not charging anything, so don't worry about that one. If you don't have credit card, so yeah, you can utilize your family member any credit card, yeah, or you can ask for your friend, or even you can reach out to your relative. Anyways, if you should have at least one credit card for this. So these are the mandatory things to sign up for the Palantir Foundry. I hope you got all the things. So these are the basic steps if you are an engineer. So I hope you will be completing it by your own. If you want any help in the sign up, so you can book session with me one-on-one. I can help you out. If you are looking for the training in the Palantir Foundry, so I can also provide the training. So you can reach out to me either on LinkedIn or on um, you know Instagram. So basically LinkedIn will be a better place to reach out to me for me, if you want to reach out to me, okay? So this is the end of the video. I'll be providing all the related videos related to Foundry. Next video will be on the Palantir Foundry introduction, okay? So this is the end of the video. Means the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.